Hey, I'm Lucy with Rossmönster Vans, and today I want to show you around this Sprinter 170 that we just rolled out. This vehicle has upgraded tires and suspension. It has Aluminess front bumper with brush guard and rear bumper, and those are also going to have Hella 500 lights on them. Up top we have a Rhino Rack Roof Rack, as well as a 52-inch 300-watt LED light bar and a luminous ladder so that you can get up there. Let's step inside and check out the inside of this rig. Welcome inside this van. One really nice feature before we go into the design features, all of the doors in this van have bug nets on them, so these are going to have magnets and they just roll down whenever you want to use them. When it comes to design features, all of this cabinetry is painted white. On the ceiling we have pine tongue and groove ceiling and a maple floor. In terms of layout, we have our shower right here up front. Then we get to a closet area. We have our galley on the passenger side. We have our dinette in the back, and then all the way in the rear we have our raised bed. So I will start at the front of this van and take us back. On the driver's side of this van, we'll start by showing you the shower and where our toilet is stored. So in here we have a brushed aluminum shower, custom Rossmönster made, and in there we have a teak shower grate, and this is also where we're going to store our Nature's Head composting toilet. I'll close that back up. That is a Nautilus shower door. And then moving a little bit further back, we have our closet area. So here we have our hanger and some hooks, and then down lower we have a really nice shelving system. Moving over to the driver's side, to the passenger side of the vehicle, we have our galley. So we're going to have a 15 by 15 Ravati sink. We have a Ramblewood propane stove here. And then under the sink we have our gray water tank, as well as our kitchen storage. So we'll have shelving right there, and then all down this side we have our drawers. All of these are going to be on RV latches so that they don't come open while you're driving down the road, and then our uppers as well are going to have these gas struts for soft opening and closing. Last feature of the galley area, we have these really nice butcher block birch countertops, and at the end we have a flip up countertop extension so that you have a little bit more prep space in the van. Lastly, for our galley, back on the driver's side, we have a 4.6 cubic foot Isotherm fridge that's going to be with a door swing, so tons of storage there, and then just a little bit more prep space with butcher block on this side as well. Moving further back, we have our dinette for two. Under there we have our vents for our Rixon system so that this van can have heat during the winter. And then we have our birch lagoon mount table, so this is going to swivel. It can be completely taken off and put elsewhere. And then we have just a nice design feature, some subway tile here just to change things up a bit. And then we have our fixed bed in the rear. So this bed is going to be nice and roomy. They're going to sleep widthwise, and they have FlareSpace as well as half slides on both sides for cross ventilation. So they're going to have more room to sleep, and they're going to have a nice breeze coming through here. When it comes to airflow in this van, we have a max air fan over the galley area, so that will be able to suck air out of the van and pull air in. And then in the rear of the van, we have our Dometic Penguin AC unit for hotter days. And then in terms of systems, we have a few different lighting zones. We have our dimmable LED overhead dome lights. We have our under cab lights. We have fridge, water pump, Victron Bluetooth energy monitor so they can keep track of where all of their levels are at. And then last we have our Rixon system. So that's going to bring hot water to the sink, to the shower, to the exterior shower, as well as bring heat to this van. Let's step around back and take a look at some of the cool stuff back there. Alright, welcome to the rear of the van. Back here we have storage bags mounted to both of the doors. We have our Rocky Mounts low ball mounts, bike mounts here. And then we have our power cabinet and our water cabinet. We also have some garage lighting so that you can see everything back here as you're loading up. When it comes to the power cabinet, we have 340 amp hours of AGM supercycle battery bank in here. We have a 3,000 watt inverter, and then we have 200 watts of solar on the roof. Coming over to the water cabinet side. So in our water cabinet over here, we have a clear source 3-stage water filtration system. We have a 30-gallon fresh water tank, and this is also where we have our Rixon heater stored. Additionally, everything back here is coated with black hex ply, so that's going to be really durable and stand up to the bikes that they're clearly going to throw back here. That wraps up this van tour. Be sure to follow us on Instagram, subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you never miss a van tour. Have a great day and thanks for watching.